Honor has launched its new smartphone in some selected global market called Honor 400 Lite, with dedicated multi-purpose AI camera button. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor 400 Lite features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 3500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset, paired with IMG BXM8256 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM, and it has 256 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Honor 400 Lite sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that houses a 108-megapixel main camera, with f1.75 aperture, along with the 5-megapixel ultra-wide plus depth sensor, with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the pill-shaped hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5230 mAh battery, with 35 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Magic OS 9 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161 by 74.55 by 7.29 millimeters, and it weighs around 171 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor 400 Lite has been priced in Austria at €269 for the base variant, and it is expected to go on sale starting from April 8th, in Velvet Black, Velvet Grey, and Mars Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor 400 Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.